Look at the creativity, guys. Can you see? Can you guys see me from the mirror? I mean, from the mirror. Oh yes. What you said? Please give me space. Please give me space. We have to do social. Corona can never come in between us. No. You like you love to be touching. Oh my God, Tullu. You know it. I need my space. Personal space. Don't invade my space. What if your boyfriend comes in future? You will tell him that. For him it's allowed. Not for you. The boyfriend doesn't even exist, but he has the permission, and I am there since past 6 years. You invade my space a little too much than necessary. Sometimes it's okay. Not every second. You never allow me, Tullu. You'll say once in a year. I cannot resist that. Your birthday I let you do na, hug me and everything. So but be happy usme. Who doesn't like? I like touchiness. Not touchiness, but fuck you. Fuck. I cannot believe Swastika and Tullu are giving me content these days. Huh? Swastika, when did I give you content? I remember last year at McDonald's the same time you were telling. Okay, sorry, I'll do like this. Oh my God, look at this. Ooh, savage townie girl. Swastika, you are not townie. Get lost.
I'm a Bandra bitch.
Bandra bitch. Khirwadi. Midhi Nadi ke baaju mein. Swastika, how do you feel now that you have to work every day?
Every day, no, 5 days a week.
5 days a week. So when are you off then? So that I can schedule. Why is schedule spelling so difficult? It's
simple.
It's not simple. What is it? S-E. Tullu, why is schedule spelling so different?
Schedule. Shit, tomato.
S-C-E-D-U-H-E-L-D something. Thank you Grammarly for existing. That's the reason my mails are nice. Last year, remember we all went to McDonald's and you were like, "Da, please, I don't want to shoot." Now look at you, how confident you are. I still don't want you to shoot. I give you kissy. No, yaar, I don't want your kissy. Tullu, do you understand you're doing this on the vlogs? Yeah, I know, it's okay. You have other people to give you all the love in life. There has to be someone to keep you grounded. Me. I cannot wait to move out and then jump on Tullu every morning and give her the and give her the morning energy what she needs. Tullu is a person who hates sunlight. Oh my God, you are already a vampire. I hate sunlight. I don't like too much of light on my face. I am the light in your life, baby. I am the light in your life. Look how disappointed you look. Oh my God. The mask also it's visible, right? Oh my God, sorry. Yeah, it is visible, obviously. I just switched on the camera to say that periods is a bitch. You know how much a girl has to go through?
Why would I have an idea?
No, you all keep saying that girls have no issues. No, you all don't say it.
I never said that.
You will never cry the entire month, but as soon as the periods is here, all the fucking emotions are back. Boom! Blah. Blah.
You know guys, she has been crying for the past half an hour because of some issue and her PMS. And I'm gonna put this in the vlog so that you'll have a good time and you can laugh on her crying because I would love that.
No, I was gonna say something.
She's such a huge bitch. She ruins all of her lives. She creates mess in all of her lives and she constantly nags around me and Tullu.
I'm doing this for attention.
Looking at this phase of her, I get a lot of joy.
I'm doing this for attention. Let people see I cry. I'm a natural human being. I cry. And sometimes I have shitty period in my life also. I just don't want to show you all the bubbly face that I'm all happy all the time. Sometimes I cry and that's always during periods. All the emotions, all the extra feelings and overthinking happens. That's the reason I said in the starting of the vlog that periods is a bitch. I love you. Thank you for Thank you for existing. See, this is the ice cream parlor. I really love it. It's one of my favorite places. But you know, Oswald, if you guys know, that cartoon has spoiled me. Remember that butterfly? She had the ice cream parlor in the show. I want that kind of ice cream parlor where I have 4 different scoops. In India, it's not that available, or I don't know any place where they're available. But I want to go to abroad places where they have 4 different scoops. Even though I just eat chocolate all the time. But I would love to try those here. Ooh! 2 different scoops. So huge.
That's what she said.
Will you intake the compound V if ever given to you?
I've seen what happens to people when it goes wrong.
I'm still on season 1, guys. I'm still watching it. But the vlog is up. I'll still be on season 1 to be very honest.
How do you not finish it quickly? Like I got done with the industry in like 2 days.
I have a job now, Rhythm. We are the job people.
Boring people.
Boring people?
9 to 5 work.
You cannot call me boring. I always have a live after 9
Until
also.
unless I don't have a job, I can shit on you people.
That's there.
Yes.
What is Corona for Indians?
Excuse me, madam. Please mind your own business. This is what India is.
This was now you feel normal?
This is the essence of Mumbai. Now I feel normal. Like, oh my god, I see people.
I see people. 2 weeks ago, there were no one.
Yeah, I don't miss that.
We town people are very cheap people when it comes to traveling. We travel everywhere with private vehicles, which we obviously have Activa, but we never prefer going in a private cab or a bus. Bus, so you all know, because of the COVID, it's horrible. There's the reason I have to spend extra bucks for a cab, but it's amazing. I hate working from home. That's the reason I'm going to the office and working, which I like. For a moment I had to pause because that uncle was staring at me that, oh fuck, how do I look? How do I even look? More horrible. Guys, if you have any suggestion for my frizzy hair, I know Tullu gave me a suggestion already that I need to blow dry. Rhythm is telling me to buy a straightener. Then I said, Tullu, straightening my hair is very difficult for me. I really get scared. She like, you are using a menstrual cup and you feel scared to use a straightener. She actually made sense. This can be a thing. Like, every day I can talk about everything in the cab. Though the lighting was super fucked up because of the ISO. Anyways, I had a good chat with y'all in the morning. Rhythm, I have something to confess. I added sugar in my black hot coffee. It tasted a little bit sweet.
I work in a coffee company. I get perks. I work in a coffee company. I get free. You don't deserve free coffee if you know. Because you're doing that shit. Yeah.
Is it? Are you
Yeah.
jealous? Look at the tone.
I'm not fucking jealous of that scene.
Not jealous.
No.
You're happy.
I'm happy for you, but now I'm not. Because you're doing that shit.
I drank this 2 days back, but I wanted to shoot this part. So I was like, I need to tell this to Rhythm. I need to piss him off on camera. Look at him. I am just doing it for the vlog. Seriously, don't get pissed. Okay?
His lips are shining.
He's doing it. See, I'm just shooting. I'm not doing anything here. Sid, sometimes bullying is not okay, Sid.
He's doing everything. I'm just sitting and I'm enjoying everything. He's doing
I do not support bullying.
This is what
I do not support bullying. I only support content.
You know, there's wood, there's fire, and some people will throw oil and fire.
We throw ghee. We are Indians. It's like throwing ghee.
Get the fuck out of here. Fuck off. Please fuck off.
Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed watching the vlog, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. Before ending the vlog, I would like to give a shout out to Natalie. Thank you so much for all your support. If you guys want to be in the next shout out, you can ask for it on the comments, on my recent Instagram photo, or tweet me at Ovalida. Sayonara, bye bye. I need to breathe, I need to speak slowly. I'm so sorry. You guys have to listen to my fast voice. Goodbye.
This my niche, play my role, what you hold, little boy best on reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just
Was never an ice cream person. Friends make you change it. Bye.
I got lucid dreams, I make movie scenes. This not new to me. We gon' kill ice cream. Ego my enemy. My heat got entropy. It's all just chemistry.